First of all, let's talk about the lighting system. We've used Chauvet EVE 50s, which is an ellipsoidal theatrical fixture in white, to replace the 4 incandescent fixtures that were in place. These fixtures are powered using the same receptacles that the old lights were, which means that the remote labeled stage will kill power to those lights. We do not need to dim the power to those lights using the remote, because when we do that, we bring it below the 120 volts that they need to function. We do not dim these lights using conventional dimmer system. We dim these lights using DMX software control. So it's important that if you ever power off that receptacle with this stage remote here, that you realize that they need to be on full and not dimmed using that controller. That being said, having 6 instruments to work with, we've got a few different zones that we've come up with. On the outsides, we're providing a center stage light, 2 different angles to eliminate shadows as much as possible. And then the 2 just inside the outside ones are for the benches and the wall behind them. The one on the, let's see, 3rd one from the left is on the baptistry. 4th one from the left is on the plaque, or the between the center stage and the projector screen. And so utilizing the lights 2, 4, and 5, we can illuminate the entire back wall. So in the software, which is going to be on the desktop, and let me minimize it so that you can see, it's going to be CACOC lighting. So we'll open that. When you open that, you're going to get a screen. This is going to be up here for a little while. It's a fairly large program. So you're going to, before making any changes, you're going to have to wait for a screen to pop up to allow you to select express mode. The next thing that's going to come up is the software, and it will load the settings, but we can't make any control, take any control of the system until this screen pops up. So we're going to click on Start in Express Mode, and now we have software control of the lights. You can see we've got our scenes over here on the left, all on, no baptistry, just the plaque, back wall only, center with plaque, center only, baptistry only, and blackout are our options that we've built into it. If we want to change that, we can always go to the Edit tab that we're in here, click plus, and add a scene, or we can click on any one of these scenes and make changes. These are only single channel lights, so there's only one dimmer for each light. So if I click on, say, all on, and then I can see a dimmer here at the bottom left, and in the center I see all 6 of the lights, and they're all on white. They're all white, so we see that they are all illuminated. Now you can see if I start pulling them down, they go grayish and go to black. So that's how we know. I don't have to select all of them. I can go to, let's see, plaque, and only one of them is illuminated because that's the light that's on the plaque. And so that's how we make adjustments there, and we just want to make sure that we save our changes. Over here on the right are all of our effects. We've got a nice 2-second fade built in on every scene. Now if I close out this software, I will still have control of the lights via the MyDMX RM, which is located under here. Now remember that when the software is open, you will not have control using this device. But when the software is closed, then you do have control. And we've labeled the buttons the same as the scenes on there. So all on no baptistry, plaque only, back wall, a center stage plus plaque, center stage, baptistry only, and then over here there's a B for blackout, but so we just labeled it all off. And so that's how the lighting is adjusted.